How to copy your REDnote profile link on iPhone and Android. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can copy REDnote profile link on Android and iPhone devices. So let's get started. Over here, I'm using iPhone, but if you are having Android with you, then you can follow similar steps because the steps are totally same on both of the devices. So once you've opened your REDnote application, you will be redirected to the home page. So what you're going to do is click on me icon over here at the right side. So once you click on me, you will be redirected to your profile. So over here, what you're going to do is click on this arrow icon at the top right. So you'll be able to see an arrow at the extreme right side. So you're going to just click on this arrow, and over here, when you click on that, you'll be able to see an option that says copy link. And you can just click on this copy link. And after that, it says that link copied and you can send it to your friend now. So now the link has successfully been copied. So you can open the message of your friend and then type down this code or just paste this code. So let me just open my notepad in order to check that whether the link has actually been copied or not. Over here, I'm in my note app and I'm just going to paste the link over here in order to verify that has the link been copied or not. So I'm just going to paste that link over here. And here, this is the link. It's quite long, but this is the correct link. You can just paste it in your friend's messages and just send it to them, and they'll be able to click on this link and be redirected to your profile. So that was how you can copy your profile link on REDnote application. If you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.